G'day folks, this is a fan assembly from a very old refrigeration system evaporator coil. Unfortunately I didn't get the whole thing, they scrapped out the coil before I could get to it, but the remaining part that I've set aside for one of my customers and friends. There's some very old fan motors on it, this thing's way before my time. I'm giving it a quick wipe down with some bicarb soda and water, and yeah, still a lot of muck to come off. Smells like a 60-year-old Coolroom pretty much. I don't know if it really is that old, but it's old enough. Made by Comet Refrigerator and Coil Company, Proprietary Limited. Doesn't say whether it's Australian or not. Model 8, what is it? KCWD160, serial number F1152. The motors are Brinesmead Electrical Industries, Marricksville. Must be Australian or something, it doesn't say what country. And that one's not marked. Well, I've decided to pull this to bits because last night's massive downpour of rain just flooded the motors. This was sitting outside on the junk pile and they're just full of water. So I'm going to remove these fan blades. This one here requires a puller. Give everything a good clean up, take the motors apart and just make sure they don't rust up. The bearings feel fine now, but if they were left any longer they'll probably start rusting out. So apart from that, this will be delivered to the customer as is. Just needs a good clean up. Okay then, if the motor's open it's pretty easy to see there's a bit of moisture in them. All around the outside and through the stator. This one probably had ongoing moisture problems. There's a lot of rust on the rotor. This one here is only a tiny bit of rust there, which probably happened overnight. Still a little bit of water coming out of the housing, so it's got to be all dried out. And on the inside of the end cover. Yep. The bearings feel just fine, but they're probably full of water, so I'll take each one apart, dry it out, blow it out, and re-grease them. Rub rust off this rotor, re-grease the bearings, and once these stators are dry, put them back together again and wire them up for a test run. Might as well do it properly. Well, thanks for watching folks. I'll post a video once I get this thing running.